Ships on vigor of the waves of skimming barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning, rise and rain. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, brave and soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a Petite term, shields and spears.
Burn the wheels off.
Vows of favor of the thrill of
Let's see, what do we have here? Is there access to this? Not much.
and the crash of thunder pound within. Oh, the echoes of eternity.
See, like, for a wheelchair? I gotta have pavement. I don't know about her wheels are too small and she's too heavy.
Yeah. You can enter from there from parking lot. Check out the parking lot. Oh no.
No, I don't know. We'll go down that way. See where the trailers go. I wanted it to have it like down here so she could, watch the boats and who wants to look at a bunch of bushes?
Oh, that's gonna go on there. Grass, maybe. Yeah, you're looking for.
Well, here's pavement now. If they put that, see, they got stairs over there, and well, the geese are keeping an eye on us. Wonder if any of those were the ones that when you went in circles. I'm gonna go on in front of this thing and see. See, like those picnic tables right there under the tree would be like, even that one there. I'm gonna go that way first and see.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of the way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into
Oh, here we go.
You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows.
That get me pretty close. That's not too far to go from there to there. Right over there is handicap parking too. And there's a trail there. Yeah, shorter. Uphill, but mud at the bottom. The problem is if I could put like 4-inch fat tires on that wheelchair. Yeah, that's the only way. That little stretch is the problem. And that ain't much of a problem. You know, you say where you go there, well, that ain't got no sidewalk going to it either. This park is horribly bad for handicapped, accessible. Oh, there's like a little narrow gravel trail. I don't know if her wheelchair would even fit on it. Okay, it's worth a drive anyways, huh? Yeah, even in the picnic areas along this road up here, they have nice pavilions but no way to get a wheelchair to them. Especially with Holly's weight and me by myself. Here we go. I guess this is the way to go. Walking trail. Ooh, there was a walking trail back there. Yeah, one path. It didn't say no bicycles, but whatever. Hello. Hey, you know what we haven't seen yet? Is underwear or socks. Yeah, anywhere. Noah, his theory is someone shit themselves, so they... Yeah, we saw it, like right along this trail here somewhere. No, not thrown in the brush, right out in the open. With what we did, we missed a little of the trail. That's okay. Well, there's a trail that goes and ties into this one to get to the marina. Here. You see the green line? Here.
I see a lot of green. Oh, I see the green, yeah.
The green, we didn't go there. Oh. No big deal. We're back up here on what we've been on. As you recognize the tree, fallen tree. We go and make probably 2 right-hand turns. Other than that, we're in the middle of nowhere. There are some stretches where we're going that are very nice pine trees and yeah, real nice. But there's one trail back there that goes along the Fox River. It might be underwater. With all the rain we've had, there was, well, flood warnings for one thing.
Oh, yeah, notification.
Oh, I can hear a lot of them coming in on this thing. I thought I turned notifications off. This is not my phone. Wait, it says wrong turn. Looks like you've taken a detour from your planned route. Well, that's okay. We're back on the route. So don't give me no crap. There we go. This one. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
Jellyfish mode, go!
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you noticed you. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
In the middle of nowhere.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Nice place if you want your stuff to slide off the picnic table, huh? That one's not too bad. Someone probably put it there. Look at that one. Put your water bottle down, yeah. Or your lunch.
You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like on the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said we're falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A a first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my body race. So catch me if I fall.
Hello. What? Oh, this hill? This hill's no problem.